Simply Drawn here, and today we're doing a chain breaking. So you can break the chains in your journals or in another drawing. So I'm going to start with the center line of the chain, and I put that little break in the middle. That's where I'm going to have the break. And I started with a half of what I want the chain length to be from the break. And then you can see I'm putting the little dots as long as I want each link to be, trying to get them to be the same. And where that one at the end is, I had to extend it a little. So those little dots are where the chains are going to connect. And you're going to start with making like a little curve of what's the inside of the chain. So right where it goes over the center line is where it changes under or over. So it's just a little curve following your pencil center line. And now we're going to go parallel to that on all of the convex parts. So I'm going to do like from the center line around that convex part. I'm doing all the lower ones first, so you can sort of see that chain link coming towards you. And we're trying to keep them the same size. That's the hard part when we're going quick, but if it doesn't come out good, you're going to be absolutely able to make it a silhouette and it all works. So now I'm doing the convex parts and I'm going over that part from the other link, and you can see it starting to take shape now. You can see the chain pieces coming together, and now I'm trying to show this is the other part of the link that's coming from underneath there, and I'm trying to make it so you see you have to sort of match up where your lines were, where it came through and under to the other side. Here's our broken one, so it's the smaller part. So I'm trying to look at where it went under that other link and have it come out and match. And then these are one, it's going to be the full link where it is the end of the chain. And then I said I was doing it broken, so there's our jagged edges for the center link that's broken. There are little pieces of chain as it has snapped. Add some action lines in there. I changed to add color, but absolutely you could keep that black still, especially if you're going to do it as a silhouette. You could also just keep it black. And then I real quickly went in and added some gray Sharpie, but also would look good with pencil and shading.